Hi, hello. Today I will show you how to build a website. Many people has a dream how to build a website, but don't have enough knowledge about how you can build your own website without knowing any coding, just like HTML, CSS, PHP program. So just at first, you need to buy a domain. That means you need to buy a name for your website. Just this time GoDaddy website to buy the domain name. So GoDaddy official website. So I have already account. I have already purchased my website. So what website do you want to buy? So if I say www.textpuzzlesolution.com, so if you enter, then it will say that this text puzzle domain has already been taken. Okay, and but you can buy another website of textbusssolution.ca or many other websites. I think it doesn't matter. But if you have a business name, then you always should try to have the same domain name as your business name has. So what then if you add to this is not if you add to cart, then you will see the text puzzle solution has been added on your cart. So I'm not going to buy it. So I'm just adding it to my cart. 5 years, just 2 years if I buy. Okay, looks good. Keep going. And I saw something else that domain ownership protection, $9.9 per hour. I didn't actually want it, so I click no thanks. Start your free website. I actually don't want it because it can charge you money. Email essentials, create value, ML plus. Actually, this professional email custom looks so like at regional at the tax solution. CF actually don't know it. I click no thanks. Continue to cart. Now I need a hosting right now, obviously. So if I click again, go to the official site and website, what I can say, the hosting, um, GoDaddy and hosting. Okay, and click. Then this is not is another site. GoDaddy.com. Now, if you click on website, you will feel that web hosting option. There are two hosting. One is the normal one, and another is the WordPress one. You will see that there is a WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting is a little bit works faster, but storage is a little bit less. But it can actually work fast than the normal cPanel hosting. So actually, I have a normal website, so I just want a web hosting for just myself. So what will you get? It is a 5.99, almost $6 per month with a 3-year term, 5% saving. So what you'll get, you have 100 GB storage, 10 database, unlimited bandwidth. So many people don't know what is bandwidth. So there is a certain bandwidth. So if any people enters in your website, then the bandwidth actually being calculated. So a certain number of people can actually enter your website in a limited bandwidth option in a certain period of time. And there is a free Microsoft 365 email, and it is very important. I will show you what is this because I have an email address such like a website textpuzzlesolution.com. Look, see how my email address actually look like inbox. So uh, So this is actually and it's not my email address. This is my actual email address. Sorry. So my email address actually look like the same as my Outlook email address. So it is a query at textpuzzlesolution.com. So if you have a domain name textpuzzlesolution.com, then you can add 3, 2, 4, 5 name in front of it, such as your name is Lee, your name is Xiaomi, your name is Zian, your name is Obama. You can add the name in front of it, textpuzzlesolution.com. And it is almost look like the same email address you use in Microsoft Outlook. But in the past, there was no such thing. But if you want to have it, it is free for the first year. But after that, you will have to pay $35.88 per year. And it's actually almost very handy because if you have email address, just like query at textpuzzlesolution.com, then people actually feel interested in your customer. Oh, you have email address on your own website name. Oh, that sounds really professional. So it is very good. So if I click add to cart, looks at what actually happens. Next, it is a economy Linux hosting cPanel. Linux hosting is good for any hosting because Linux is very fast and virus attack is very less. So 24 months. So what will happen if I click 36 month is 5.5 now. It's continues to count. Let's see. I'll actually delete this. I'll actually just showing it to you. That now your textbase solution.ca is right now zero costing value. So if you buy what hosting with your domain name, then you need to pay nothing. So and economy Linux hosting, it will cost you $260. Microsoft Secret Essential email, it is right now $00 free for 12 months. And it will cost you 215. Okay, and another thing, if I click on domain name, go to the options. Okay, another thing, so go to my cart. And to show you as more as possible I can. There are also other option. So without Microsoft GoDaddy also can have the same email address. Just I show you that you can add any name before your domain name. It's fine. In the past, we actually use the email address from here. You can see is our cPanel. There is the email management option. So it's file manager, it's email option, where's the email option? It's email account. We click. You see, this is also the same email address, and you can create new email address. But actually, these type of emails are being used in your own cPanel, and sometimes if any customer send you email and you also reply them back, it can be sent in their junk folder. So using the Microsoft 365 email, it has a lot of options that Gmail will never ever mark it as junk. Email address, issue that there is no email address, no people probably send me any email. Okay, fine. It's okay. That's fine. It's gone. And uh, yes. So and if I click delete, I'm just emptying my card. No more card. Okay, fine. It's empty right now. So yeah, I'll just show you another thing right now. Dot text solution.com .ca. Okay, fine. The one thing that's also add to cart. So now I'll see something interesting right now. Continue cart. If I click continue cart, you'll see that domain owner protection. Look, this is also email essential. Look, see, create an email address that matches your domain. So it's called regional text file solution.ca. it will cost you almost $2.99 per month. So it is almost same as the Microsoft email. So people, so these are actually two different companies. One is actually from the Microsoft, and this is probably from the GoDaddy. So, so if you use hosting from other company, such as like HostGator, Bluehost, or there are also a lot of web hosting companies. They can also give you different address. So there is only certain storage options, for example, 10 GB, 50 GB, 50 GB. So you can buy email address from it. But I also suggest that you should go for Microsoft. Microsoft is renowned, and their email looks like really professional way. You can also send email address to anyone. Okay, okay, okay. I don't want to longer my program. So look, see, I'm just deleting everything, empty cart. Okay, fine, confirm. Okay. So I've already purchased everything details. So my product, if I click my product, I'm just showing you what you can do from this site. You see that I did not upgrade the protection. It will cost you some money. Actually, make it cheap. If you click manage, look, see, you are registered for text puzzle solution. Yeah, there is an option that you can forward your domain, manage domain. Forward domain means if you want to send your domain name to another destination. So this is actually forward domain automatically send your domain traffic to different destination, Facebook, Pinterest, Google Plus, many other things. I can show you another thing that if you buy domain from GoDaddy, you'll need to pay a lot more money. But if you buy domain from domain.com, you can buy actually domain a lot cheaper. You can see the dot look, look, 2 years it cost only $25. So 3 years it will cost you only $38. So it is actually very cheap if you buy domain from domain.com. But there's a problem if you are not very tech expert. Uh, then you need to transfer your domain from here to TextPuzzle to GoDaddy because you bought the hosting from GoDaddy. And what will actually happen? There is if you just mail the administrator of domain.com, they will arrange all the necessary things to transfer your domain to GoDaddy. There is a secure code, and it does not take a long time to transfer your domain to GoDaddy. But your domain will remain on domain.com. They will just migrate it so that you can use it on GoDaddy. So I actually did not make a lot of hassle because they gave me free many things to month. Free sort of buying the hosting with them. So actually I didn't actually want to do that. In GoDaddy, you can see a lot of his website, add website. Go to my product. Okay, I'm just going to my product right now. This is all my domain, and this is the hosting. Hosting actually means uh, if you have some data you need to be stored, such as in your laptop there is a 300 gig or 1 terabyte hard disks. But in hosting means it is a it is a cloud server where you need to store your data so other people can access it. In your hard drive you can access your own data, but from the server other people can access your data. That's why it's called economy Linux hosting with cpanels. Okay, okay, so I click manage. What you will see. You'll see a lot of things. PHP MyAdmin, File Manager, FTP Manager, GoDaddy Analytics. You don't need to go on there. FTP Manager is something if you want to transfer your file from another hosting to GoDaddy, you can file the transfer by FTP. It is a lot more faster. So it will be a lot more faster. And okay, it's textpuzzlesolution.com and password. Oh yeah, many of you might think that for the SSL certificate, what is it? This is actually a very important thing. If I click purchase, what will actually happen? That look, see, it will cost me $84.99 each year, so it is a little bit costly. So if I don't use it, what actually happen? Just look. I'm just clicking on my website. Look, there is an error. There is a connection not secure. So if any people wants to use your try to access your website from their browser, and sometimes their browser can show it as a spam website or not safe. You might have faced a lot of things in your life before because some people actually give the input and their skip the settings so that it looks it what actually can happen if you don't have that. Look, there is a setting option. So if you set this that I can only log into HTTP file, then I will only be able to access the file. Look, see, standard. If I click strict, strict, it is in social media tracker. There are a lot of options, and there's you can find another option that probably here in Mozilla Firefox. Block dangerous and deceptive content, block dangerous download, and HTTP model. Yes, that's it. I'm just looking for it. HTTP model. So I did not enable HTTP mode. So if I enable HTTP only mode in Windows, so what will actually happen? I can no longer access my site. Okay, I just click HTTP Windows and I'll try to access my site. No, you said your site does not have HTTP mode and it's no longer available. That's mean your people will try to access your website. They will see something, and many people actually do the setting in Mozilla Firefox on in Google Chrome. So it actually happen. They will think that is the virus. Oh no, your website is not secured. Oh no, I don't want to uh, load your website. So if I reduce it, okay, extra bricks. Okay, now you can see. Look, so it might create problem, but it actually it's a lot of money. And how much is it? Will cost you $85 per month, and I actually don't want to spend that amount of money for my website. So I don't have much money. Sorry for website security limited, malware removable. If you purchase it, it will cost you $7.60, and after that, it will cost you almost $10 per month. So actually, I did not purchase anything. I just want to make a cheap website at first. So if I miss this works, so then I will update to do many other things. And it is the your cPanel login, and this is your password. I don't want to change password or anything else right now. Okay, fine. And cPanel admin, click, and this is called my cPanel. You can access your cPanel from here, and there are a lot of things you might at first get confused. Oh my God, there's a lot of things. I don't know what is DT storage, what is PHP, data, domain, many other things. So you can get a, actually you don't need to look at all of this because at the beginning you cannot actually understand all of these things. So what I can say that my website has a text puzzle solution. I have already installed it, and these are also another hosting platform. This is called Joomla, WordPress blog, Drupal, but people usually mostly use Joomla and WordPress. Most of the people, and almost 70-80% people, the WordPress. So if I click your WordPress, I've already installed it. You just need to click on here. There will be something like that, and there is the password option, and just click save, and it will be installed. And if you click here, now I have installed my hosting, and I need to log into my WP site. So WP slash login admin. Look, there is a password option. I've not set my password here, so I will try to log in from here. And I don't want to show you my password, anything. So just log in on here, and you can see this is my WordPress site. Now, what actually you next to do? When you just log in it will show almost like that. Then there is a appearance option. You'll just click theme at first, and there's a lot of themes you can see. I actually downloaded that many themes from Google. I'm right now using the Astra. It is a simple theme. I just activate it if you want to activate other theme. And where can you buy theme? Theme Forest. Theme Forest, and if you want to buy any theme, such as you want to buy a theme just like for law in WordPress. Now there are a lot of themes, so you can buy any themes, and I suggest you don't want to get any free themes from anywhere else, because sometimes the malware can it be, but you can also uh, uh, find themes from WordPress for free. There are also some free themes you can get from here, and all themes are not free at all. Astra is the most downloaded themes, and you can get it for free, so you don't need to worry about it at all. Okay, fine. So, and when you just install the theme, theme will be installed, and you should look like that almost. And there is a plugin option. There are a lot of tools. You don't need to be worried about it at all at the beginning. At first, you just build in the theme, and there's a post option, all posts you see. So I actually did not make any title to my front page. This is actually my front page. You see, you can edit, you can write down any word, anything else on here. Anything on here, I just manually uploaded another theme on here, so I don't want to do anything right now. And you can add new page or post anything, many other things. And I have also some pages too. I have 4 pages: about us, contact us, technical solution, things actually. They don't use all of these things. And there is appearance option, and there is a menu options. Look, there is a menu option. How I select it, I'm just showing it is the home, service, beautiful, about us, contact us, technical solution. Okay. It is not probably worthy. What is this? I don't need this. So probably mistakenly it has been added here. So I don't need this menu. It has been added. So remove. It's removed. It has been removed. Let's just click save menu. Menu has been saved. Home, service, video tutorial, about us, contact. Now I click load. Home, service. I can actually add many things on here if you need to write down any other things on here. It's no problem at all. And you can see menu settings, automatically add new top level pages to this menu, and one is called primary menu, one is called secondary menu. So if you this way it is called the sub menu, it will be. And add menu, the you page can be added as main. Okay. Okay, it's gone, and I can show you, tell you something about my installed plugin. Plugin is something that you need to enhance the performance of your theme. So all your theme actually does not include all of these things. You need something for your theme. So you can see that there are a lot of plugin, but I can actually not using these two themes. I can actually delete this, and there is a WP Google Map. I am just showing you one thing so that how can you use a location map in your website. There are many other tools. I'm just showing one. So you see there is a option from here. There is option for Windows. There is a Google. This is called Google API. So if you have Google API, you can use these tools, and there is a map option. You'll see text puzzle solution. If I click yes, edit, and there is a map. Okay, I've already edited the map. I will not uh, edit this anything because it can affect my site. And if you drag or down zoom level, the zoom level will be increase or decrease. If I drag this down from here, and there is another option. I actually did not make one option that if anyone click on my website, then they will automatically redirect to the Google Map, but it will charge. They want to charge me some money. So if I click post upgrade, they will probably charge me $30. So actually I did not want to direction. So enable direction with the pro version for this only $40. My God, I don't want to spend $40. So I'm just using it, showing that no, I have a only a website. I'm just so people can show what is my location. They can search on Google that my location is on here, store location, and many other things option. If you enable pro default marker image change, I actually did not do anything. So the problem is that how you can actually get the API. That's the most important thing. It is the API. Google API is something that this theme actually does not cannot generate the Google Map. You need to log into Google site. Okay, I'm just clicking again. So Google Map API. Now get it started. So, okay, it's called API option. Loading. Sorry, it's not the same overview. It's probably on credential. Yeah, that's my key, API key. And if you need more, you can create new credential on here. And solution library, you can actually build your location plus many other things. So I can show you many other things right now. Solution libraries to locator plus. If you click locator plus, if you click advanced, if you click your address 657 West 54th Avenue, Vancouver. It is not actually working. Add location. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's not working right now. Address selection right now. Okay. So if you select your address, 657 West 54th Avenue. Look, If I click checkout, then it will take me on here, and there will be some other option. I actually don't want to save it right now on here. Then the credential what you have, it will actually show the same address on your website. The address will select on your API, and you just need to copy it and paste it on your Google here, and you'll see the same address. I'm actually not transfer this. So in solution library, you can do it by yourself. And there's also called map management. If you click on here, map style is called type Android solution. You do not need to worry about it. Oh, I just forgot to tell about anything. This Google Business is not free. Probably it costs almost somehow $300 or something else. But actually, map actually management depends on certain things. So actually, this month actually total users only $1. So for the first month, it is for only unlimited free. But after that, you need to pay money. So how much map? So if a lot of people use the map to reach at you, then you need to pay money. And if you don't want to spend money, then you just remove the billing. There is a billing option on here. So when you just try to do everything, there would be a billing option. So they will ask you to pay money to add your business on Google and many other things. Okay, so it is not free. When you just try to do it yourself, then you will see that a billing option will appear. Another thing I forgot to tell about yourself, Google Business. Google Business, it's not Google Business, Google My Business. Okay. Actually, what I do, actually I did not sign it, automatically logging in. In Google Business, I have already verified my business. So if you verify your business on Google Business, they will send you a letter on your address, and there will be a PIN code. And as you enter the PIN code, you can log in and verify your business. So once your address is verified, if you search it on Google Map, you can visit it. So if I okay, I'm just showing you how it works. Google Map. You need to verify your address to see other people. So your business is tax puzzle solution. Okay, one second. Look, it automatically show. Now it is showing. Now it is showing. Now I click direction. I live almost here. Now it is showing that. So once your business is verified, you can also see how many people actually view the searches for it, activity, many other things from here, and traveling thing, and there's a message option if you want to message, call option, many other things. If you can do it by yourself. You don't need help from other people. You can create any ad on Google too. Not need help from any other people. And there is a map style, many other things, quota metrics, many other things. You can create as many API as you want from any Gmail address. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. I'll just show you some basic other tools yeah, on my WordPress site. So you have to install plugin, you have tools, you have media. If you want to add media here, you can do it. And sometimes it will ask you for updates. So your WordPress might be updated every day, and your theme might needs updated. And there's also user option. So what is user option? Right now I am the administrator, but if you want someone to work for your website, you just need to click add new user option. So what it is? Uh, you just need to add new user and change the role to subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and assistant. So many people can actually work on your website. There's the comment options, many other things, the page options, there is post options. There are many other lot of things to do with the WordPress actually. So I'm the holiday admin. This is my logo, and this will actually not be shown when I just log in without uh, dot look, here is now it is not showing anything on here. It is showing because I'm actually logging on my cPanel. Oh, I just forgot to other thing show you. Look, there's a many other option for the front page. Is called header builder. There's header option. There's sidebar option. Is it on default page? There's a lot of options. Sidebar with many options you will see on here, and home page settings. Uh, and global options, you can color container button, so you just need to see, click on everything and see the effect, how does it happen. Footer builder, you can I write down here, you can write down any other things on it. Footer, so on every page the footer will remain the same. Okay, and widget options, your theme has 8 widget area, but this particular page does not display them. I actually did not want any widgets. So I used them a lot almost 8 years ago when I just first made my site. So site icon. Actually, I changed the image. I don't know why it is showing. Site logo is, oh, it's right now. This logo, I'm just using it. Okay, no problem. Call something is called primary menu. Transparent header options. Desktop and mobile, enable on desktop and mobile. Different logo on transparent header, no. Enable on complete website. How does it show? Enable on complete website. Okay. It publish what actually happened. Let's see. Let's see if it shows something difficult, problematic or not. Okay. No problem is showing on here. No problem. So I can use this. Site title logo, and there is also design options, bottom border size, background overlay, many other things. You can change your background, many other things, HTML color text, many other things. HTML means hypertext transfer protocol, many people don't know that. So more option available in Astropro, so they are asking for me to buy Astropro bar itself, so they're asking for 47 bucks. You said $12. Astra Pro, where you can get advanced header builder, global color players, full native wide level product updates, premium support. I actually don't want anything, so I'm happy with what I have. So I just want to display some information to my customers so that they can identify my address and identify me. That's it. I don't do many other things, a lot of things. And the limit to login attempts, you can click if anyone try to hack your website, you can limit the login attempts. So I feel these people are actually trying to hack my site. So settings, okay, fully notify lockout, 3 lockouts, lockout for allowed retries, 20 minutes lockout. Okay, these are default setting. I don't need any other setting because many people from all over the world always try to hack your website. If you have a very weak password, then they can easily hack it by them. So you need to be very careful. There are also upgrades, so nothing is free actually. Everybody wants money, upgrade to premium. And okay, I think everything is fine. So, oh, actually, I clicked, I linked some of my videos on here. You just need to have a short code and just link it on here. There's a short code if I want. I can show you how I add the site. There is a shortcut option. If I click on here, an option will display here where I can input the short code here. And any other things what I can forgot. So actually, it does not take a lot of money for the domain hosting. I think I spent only $20 for the first month, but for the second month, I probably need to spend $100. So if you know some tricks, and then you can have your own website for just only 100 bucks in each month. So I guess that everybody can understand. My video and tutorial. I think that it will be very helpful for you, for the people who are actually trying to build a website and build a simple website to showcase their business, and then they don't want to spend a lot of money on that. I can actually decorate my site a lot, but I'm actually doing some text work. So I just need to show the people that I have a website, I have an address, so that you can contact me on my email address. This is my website email address, and this is and the customized address, and this is the email address. So if people send any query at taxpuzzlesolution.com, I will get my email on my Microsoft email address directly. So guys, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. I'll try to upload more videos on how you can customize your website more by using different